Wow. What's up, guys? Spike here today. I'm back with another video, and I had no idea what video to do, so I'm just going to have fun and play random game. Cause it feels good to play random game. I don't know if this is copyright, so yeah. Like, oh, nice, Ricky. Ricky, you slow. Ricky, you so slow. Oh yeah, Ricky, you so slow. Ricky's like this. Look, I'm gonna freak your ass down, boy. Yeah, yeah, Ricky. I've been freaking out all day. Get it? Oh, so close. But never mind, cause I'm not at least freaking around. So I'm just gonna speed edit this everything. I'm gonna speed through everything now. Cause it's still better when you speed through, right? Yep. I'm fast already and I want to be faster. Oh my god, yes! They made the race faster. Life's no, yes! Yes, in your face! In your face! Okay. Whoa! You know, let's book it. Yeah, boy, just won the race. Yeah, boy. Nani? Nani? No. Nani? Guys, I'm going to show the trick. You know, this 20 thing. So what is it? No, not that one. The 200. Yeah, just 200 steps. You can't get it. You don't need to do it. Just do this. Hey, yeah. Okay, man. I'm just playing the game. Okay, so you just jump to this building. Yeah, it's called the building. And then, yeah, see? Just keep on doing that. Hey, yeah. Keep on doing that. It's just so easy. That's how I got myself so many steps. Yeah. Boy. Woo. Again, I'm probably gonna lose. Why is it the old map? I hate the old map because it's old. Ow. Oh! Mine! You saw that? He was like almost to level 50. But I'm at level 50. I'm gonna go in a new place. So since I'm bored, I'm gonna speed edit this so that it will make it more fun. Guys, don't do that. See? Like, what's this? You cannot. They will just go on the top of the tree and then voila. Yes, so I'm faster. I'm about the second or third fastest. What people don't like. And life is like life. And life is like life. Yeah, boy. What trail is that then? The doggy trail? Yeah. Yeah, dog. Cause you know what I did? Instead of yeah boy, I said yeah dog. Cause the dog and yeah dog. I'm in the hood. No, 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 no. Nani? Ah, ah, ah. Well, no, 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 my God, no. I just ruined my thing. No, no, no. Ah! Ah! Now I pull dog trick to make me go faster. When you try so hard, but you can't succeed. Oh no! What's this? Oh, oh. Oh no, no. Guys, I'm really too fast for this. Too fast, too fast. With holy and fireman, too fast, too fast. Too fast, too fast. Too fast, fast. I'm just too fast, too fast, too fast. I'm just police and fireman, just too fast, too fast. I'm police and fireman, too fast, too fast. This is how you beat the cave, cause the cave is something so. Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa! Don't underestimate. Never underrate a girl. She is so fast. I accomplished something. I got it. Yeah. She'll be a thing. Oh yeah. And then you're gonna be like boom. She's gonna be like, what in the places? Well, guys, I'm bored. So let's try a new game. New game, here we go. Oh yeah, this game. So yeah, speed editing is fun. Yeah. Doctor Strange, Deadpool, Doctor Strange, Deadpool, Cyborg. That's a hard choice. I'm gonna go with the new one. I believe I can fly. Why's the game unloading? Well, I just it's so bad. My God, don't you just hate the tutorials? Like, come on, geez, stop. Go. Oh man, I just got squished. Oh yeah, he has laser eyes. Oh yeah. Rocket boom. Oh my God. I'm a style board, because I'm gonna board your face. I believe I can fly. Life. Okay, let's go and smash this place because I'm bored. Yeah, I had no idea what video to do, so this is the video I'm gonna do for you guys. Because I have no idea what video to do. Because the video I'm gonna do is so boring. It's just so boring. So super boring. Oh wow, the whole server's lagging. Oh wow, guess I'm gonna go. Now please guys, give me your ideas for our video. What? Just give me ideas for a video because I'm just so bored. Yeah, I'm bored because I have no idea what to make, and that's why I haven't been recording. Like, that's why I barely record because I have no idea what to make. Yeah, separate. Oh, yeah. Don't you think I can be cyborg boy? No, no. How could he? Traitor! We always remember that guy. Who was that guy in the way? It feels good to destroy somebody's future life. Allow. Explode. Laser show. You miss? Yeah, boy. Yeah. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna dance on your body. Dancing like a pro. Dancing like a pro. Never mind, guess she won't allow us. No. Don't. Yeah. Oh my god, why is everything so laggy? This laser out is so amazing. Let me just laser your face. No! Who would do such a thing? You see, this is where the laser comes from Cyborg here. It's a board that's a sidekick. Oh. Yeah, I'm training. Oh, who's that? Whoever's doing this thing is smart, right? Yeah, I got you, boy, I got you. Is it you? Is it you? Cause you close. Yeah, man, it's your fault. Ow. 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 Keep throwing them. You guys are weak. Come on, let's fight. Be a man. Oh my god, it's you. Pay! Payback. No one must see the evidence. Come on. Well guys, this is what I'll be having for today. Bye guys, see you next time. And please give me ideas to make for this channel. Bye. I hope you like, subscribe, and leave a comment on what should you do. Bye.